Hey guys, welcome back to Scrunchie Face and Friends, and today we're making this super special dessert, a cannoli pizza! No cannolis were harmed during the making of this video. Here we have our ingredients. We have 2 cups of ricotta cheese, strained, 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 a cup of heavy cream for whipping, 1/4 teaspoon allspice, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and some lemon zest.
Sift the powdered sugar. You have to hold this with one hand. Working.
You gotta shift the powdered sugar.
No, but hit it against the sides. That's fine.
Now we're putting in the cinnamon and spice. How do people do this?
That's good enough.
Shoot. Okay. So we put it in the sink. Now what's next? We have our cream. Now we have our helper mommy with us. We're gonna sift cream.
Look at her go, folks.
This is insane! It's flying everywhere! She's like, Is it ready yet, Mommy?
Not yet. Getting there.
It's flying everywhere.
It's not easy whipping cream by hand.
This is why we have mixers.
Yeah.
Okay, what do we do?
We have to put the ricotta in there.
Ricotta cheese. How do I hold this? We have some ricotta cheese. Do we put all of it?
Yes, please.
Putting all the ricotta cheese in. It looks like old cottage cheese.
Scrape it onto the bowl. Onto the edge of the bowl. There you go. Hold that.
Here's your whipped cream.
So now we pour it in with this.
Yes.
So we mix it.
Yes.
How long do we mix it for?
So it's fully incorporated.
How is the texture incorporated?
And it's smooth.
Doesn't have like any chunks like this right now.
Now we're going to slowly add.
That is an avalanche.
The sugar mixture.
It's yummy. It's in pumpkin pie. It's in lots of good desserts. Now this does look like handmade cannoli filling. That is our cannoli filling for the top of the pizza. Now you must put it all in. Every last drop must be put. You must have every last.
Okay. Help you?
Yes, please. My arm's getting tired. Why can't you mix it fast? Or you can.
Sprinkle some of the lemon zest in.
A
Some.
little bit.
There's a little lemon zest. Is that good?
Oh my god.
Sprinkle 3 pinchfuls of lemon zest. Now don't make them big pinchfuls like this. Like that. Don't make them that pinchful. Only a little bit. Like this much. Just a bit.
And now we're going to spill in the refrigerator
For how long?
until the pizza crust is ready.
We're gonna let the cannoli cream chill for about 30 minutes while we get our pizza ready. After cooking the pizza crust at 450 degrees for 15 minutes, we let the pizza cool completely so we can add our toppings. Now that our pizza crust is cold, we can put on our cannoli cream and our toppings. So here we have some chocolate drizzle, powdered sugar, crushed up pistachios, chocolate chips, and crushed up cannoli. Magic begins.
I should have said that earlier.
Warning. This is the part where it gets really, really messy. And so now we have to be really careful and let's put it on. So next we have our chocolate chips. Now you can use any type of chocolate chips. We're using the semi-sweet ones. Next, we have our pistachios. And last, we have our powdered sugar. And our pizza is done and ready to be eaten. Nom 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 nom. We had fun making the video and making this dessert. I hope you enjoy making your version of this cannoli pizza too. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and if you want to keep up to date with all of our videos, hit that notification bell and have a great day.